Okay, so what I'd like to do here is this is our last example for section 8.7, and you'll notice that we have a radical in the denominator. So what we need to do is rationalize. So if you remember way back when in your algebra classes, and we've talked about it a little bit here, but if I had like 7 over the square root of 3, I'd multiply by root 3 over root 3, and that would actually cancel the cancel the radical out, gets it out of the denominator. With this, I'm going to use what's called a conjugate. And the conjugate of root 2 plus 4 is root 2 minus 4. And we've seen this with complex values. So what I need to do with this problem, I'm going to rewrite it because it's getting messy, is if I multiply by the conjugate over the conjugate, that'll actually cause my radical to cancel out. And so I'm just going to go ahead and distribute these guys, and we'll see what happens. So I have root 2 times root 2, that's 2, minus 4 root 2 plus 4 root 2 minus 16. And so if we look right here, these two middle terms are going to cancel out, and even before we work with the top, I'm going to have negative 14. And so the numerator, I'm just going to go ahead and distribute that 8. And 4 times 8 is 32, so I'd have 8 root 2 minus 32. Now I need to look. All three of these guys have a 2 in common, so I can go ahead and reduce. You can only do that when all three have a number in common. Okay?